Did you just hear how cocky Cheeks was? That's crazy.
Dude, I'm joking. Dude, I'm joking.
That's crazy.
Okay.
Assassin or. But you know what I mean? Just the whole fact of like triple classing, and then I mentioned it in their own Discord, and somebody on site said, "Oh, well, if it was a problem, then they would have removed double classing," and I'm like, "They tried to." And it's like, well, clearly they haven't tried enough, so they don't care enough about it. It's just like, that's not the fucking point. If you're somebody who's a round partner who's been playing since the very beginning of the game, do you really need to be triple classing? Or double classing? I don't know, that's just me.
Yeah.
Cheeks, I hate you.
They're in an intense fight apparently. Intense fight.
What? My blink? Both of our blinks just
That's not me anymore, by the way.
I was blaming it on the blink.
I thought that was you. Wait.
Sniped by somebody else and then burp snipes my chicken.
Not me casually just
What, third partying?
no missing. Simplest shot ever.
Is that you? Wait, who was that?
I was stacked
Probably
low.
Probably Sonic Killer being a little weirdo.
No, I just got sniped in the back.
Where are you at?
Lost World.
Yeah, so that was you that sniped me.
Maybe.
Fucker, I just got double tapped! Oh, I'm about to just fucking...
Oh!
I'm nowhere near the fight.
Okay.
And I get triple tapped. It's crazy.
Triple tap with chicken, yeah. Double tap nearly chickens, yeah.
Well, I got tripled. It was a purple... One was a purple sniper, so I don't know. I don't know if that counts for anything.
Oh, man.
This is actually a great zone for
Yeah,
assassin.
who thought this was a good idea?
I mean, this
be
looks
honest.
really fun. It's too bad I never got to participate because I was fucking getting chickened and then
How'd you
immediately
miss that?
chickened again.
Oh, I'm dead. Bro, it's every heirloom. Oh, I'm so dead.
You should emote on him, Shakes. It's the dude that killed me. Good man.
I'm sorry, whoever that was.
Rico was pretty good. Rico Sneeko.
Okay.
Why?
Bro, what?
Oh, man.
I got sniped twice.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hilarious.
You actually got sniped by 3 people, but one of them missed a shot on you.
Well, I didn't miss, I'll tell you that much.
Why are you in here?
Okay,
Oh
then no
my.
brothers even here. Hello?
It's Jade Warrior. Never mind.
I'm so
Oh,
cooked.
okay.
It's not even funny how cooked I am.
Dude, I can't. I literally have to hide in a building, otherwise I'm gonna get shot by an like from an angle.
I know. That's what I'm saying, bro. What this guy? Dude, I literally looked over the hill the entire time and no one was there. Dude, this is so fucked. Who thought this was good, bro?
That was me.
Who the fuck thought this was a good idea?
There's 2 people on the hill.
There's 2 people over there? Dude, I literally was looking at it the whole time, and I could not,
So
could not
there's
see it.
Talent and then there's Jade Warrior.
Oh!
They're both on the hill.
I've got
You
double
suck,
sniped.
Hey, this guy's focusing me hard.
Dude. Dude. This is... Oh my
Hey,
god.
that guy.
Yeah, that's the Russian dude.
I mean, it's
Oh,
kind
no.
of hard to like... Dude. Look at my gold heirloom. Oh, it's not you. I'm spectating somebody else.
Bro! I can't do anything.
Oh wait, that was you with slugs on it?
I can't do anything.
No.
Somebody had a purple slug as captain. Whoever, I don't know, it's a short mouth. On right now. Oh yeah,
Who's thought of this?
the conks. The conks in this set are about to go crazy.
No way, I can't myself.
Oh my gosh. I love how everybody's sticking to the no-kill chicken.
No!
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's, I mean, it's a little hard.
No, I'm dead.
Jinx just conked him.
He doesn't have it, now he does.
Well done.
Dude, that's
Hey,
crazy. All the
that
kills
is-
and loot falling around.
Dude,
you.
that was fun.
That was actually fun, yeah.
It was
But the
kinda
end,
fun,
the
dude.
end was scuffed.
Yeah, the end was just so fucking
Right.
fun.
Yeah, that
didn't do anything.
Jinx self-conked himself, and it's like, yep, I'm sniping him.
You guys want to do what class next? Warrior?
Yeah, let's go warrior.
I'm popping off
actually,
for now, but I'll see you
yeah.
guys
Nah,
later.
cheesy, play
That
one
was the
more.
last one.
Nah,
the
man.
last one.
Dubs, just join. Just one more,
Dubs,
please.
come on.
Dubs, literally, you're ruining the night. You're ruining it.
I'm ruining the
You're
night.
ruining it.
How am I ruining
on,
the
mate.
night?
Come on, just
Come
one.
on, mate.
God.
Come on.
Good night, boys.
No,
Good
no,
night.
no, no, no. Dubs, Dubs, please, I beg you, just this one last time, please.
No,
Please.
good night, good
Right,
night.
right.
Dubs! Dubs, you're making me
Let's
angry.
be
Please,
tremendous.
dude, just one more. One more. One more. What if I don't hop on again, huh? What if I die? Oh, what if I die? You're gonna wish you played that one more match. You're gonna wish.
Crazy.
That, you have to play it now.
You have to play
No,
that.
that is
Yeah,
absolutely crazy.
That's-
Oh my gosh. Fine, one more. Fine, one more.
that's cool.
Land inside a toxic room. Contributing nothing.
Hey Dubs, you gotta play one more for me, yeah, next game.
Yeah.
No,
What if Silent Killer
no.
dies?
What if I die? What if I die?
Okay. Dude, those are insane shots I hit in here. You're checking guess who you are. I have no idea who you are. Actually, who else would it be?
Whoa? I thought you went inside. Okay, dude, I jumped on your head so I couldn't fucking hit you. That's great. Right. I got, okay, 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes is good.
Oh, please, leave me alone.
I played Warrior to get a level 100 and then I just never played him again. So I'm
That's
like,
crazy.
Crazy.
Bro sharded my loot. Who's this warrior? Used up all his movement. No way.
Dude, I can't use a sword.
Oh my gosh, I'm bad.
Wait, no.
Dude. The fact that I almost lost that. I told you I don't play. I got level 100 warrior to stop playing. I can't hit a freaking shot. Dude. Can't. Why did I stay on for more?
Because you actually
hit a
care
shot.
that, you know,
Shut up.
we might die.
No, I don't care.
Oh, that's crazy. That's not what you say to
Oh,
your
I
friends.
can't hit an axe. No. Dude. Now the game is just... Oh no.
I'm a bot.
For the bomb. Didn't realize there was somebody above me. How the hell did I fucking miss that?
Dude, I'm just hearing so many axes.
Bro!
Okay, bro.
Hey, this guy is super annoying, I swear.
Yeah, I'm dead. Oh!
Bro, just... Dude.
Dude, just hit an insane
Bro
clip.
did it.
I'm just trying to use a sword and I can't.
Fucking dope, sorry.
Who's this guy with his AR? Like, seriously.
Not me, I'm up here with a slug, bro. Just doinking people I see, you know?
Shooting me from 69 miles away.
69 is his favorite number.
Dude, it is. Bro, love that. Oh my gosh, bro, that's absolutely terrible.
Interesting. I think this guy's shooting.
Did you just get chicken?
He's an aim.
Oh, bro.
Yeah,
Oh, I
this
just got
guy's
fucking
cheating.
hit with an axe,
I
dude. Who
think
the AR?
this Rico guy is cheating.
The guy with the AR.
That's crazy. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm so dead.
What's up, Cheeksy?
Okay. Oh my.
Bro, I missed this freaking thing.
Yeah, I always do.
Wait, which one's cheating? Rico?
Not again.
Cheeks just dealt him the business.
Bro, Cheeks wins again.
I win again.
He's hella
Where's the
glazing.
partner?
Dubs,
Famous and
you
best
know
now.
you know you're having fun. You know you want to play one more. Just play
No,
one more.
no,
I'm only gonna play
I'm
one or
getting
two
off.
more. You might as well hang out with us.
No, I'm getting off on that.
Dude,
one.
what if I get cancer, man? What if I get cancer, man? Come on.
No, you're good, Biggs. You can Show me the video. Oh yeah, that was my last one. What'd you just say?
I
That's
made another one.
crazy.
Sorry.
Hello, Schizo.
Just random.
Okay, I guess just kill them because they're already breaking the rules.
Yeah.
No. I can see your feet. I don't even know if that's you. I can shoot your feet. I literally did it once. I'm hacking. I'm not actually hacking. Just chill.
I'm budding.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah. No, it's not me.
Where are you? How are they opened already? That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. I'm dead.
Bro, where is everyone? I swear, the only people I fought was you and someone else. That's it.
Dude, who is this guy?
Not me.
This guy with the auto snipers hitting everything.
No, I didn't mean
Dude, this one guy with the auto sniper is annoying me.
I have have an auto sniper, but it's not me.
That's you.
Wait, auto sniper is actually so good. That's it.
It's not.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
You just got yourself chicken to that. See what happens, Cheeks, when you're third party.
True. No, it's that one guy with the auto sniper, dude. He's just like
Yeah, I see him.
hiding.
Armoring up.
Okay, I was gonna let him heal,
Fixing my armor.
bro. Bruh! This guy better not still be in here.
Healing up. Restoring some health.
Whoa, the lag.
Oh, epic. Restoring some health.
I'm not winning this one. No, I meant to shoot. Rip.
Bro, what is this? Are you at the top?
I just died.
Oh my god. This guy at the top is...
I can't even tell who it is. My game's bugged.
Oh, no way he actually finished me. Oh, it's Jaden.
Who won?
Jaden. Jaden K.